Hello friends, my name is Abhishek Nandakumar Chavan. Our today's topic is scope and memory allocation of variables, and I am firstly going to going to tell you about scope of variables. In scope of variable is the part of program where the variable is accessible. Java scope rules can be covered under following categories. That categories are divided into three types: member, local, and loop variables. These variables are known as also uh, the these variables have some levels that are class level, block level, and method level. So first we have learn about member variables. It is also known as class level scope. These variables must be declared inside the class. They can be directly accessed anywhere in class. Directly accessed anywhere in class. Uh, so therefore it is also called as class level variables. Next is local variable. Uh, method local variable is also known as method level scope. Variables declared inside a method have method local scope and can't be accessed outside the method. Hence, it is also called as method level scope. The next is loop variables, that is block scope. Loop variables, a variable declared inside a pair of brackets, means curly braces, uh, in in a method has a within the scope within the brackets only. Means the body of this loop is covered by curly braces. The next is stack memory. We have learned about memory allocation. Uh, we have already learned about the scope of memory variables, and next we have to learn uh, memory allocation of variables. In that we cover stack memory, heap memory, memory allocation, and the main sections of memory allocations. So we start from stack memory. Stack uh, in Java is a section of memory which contains methods, local variables, reference variables. Stack memory is always referenced in last in, first out order. Local variables are created in stack. So the stack memory is all it works in stack memory is works in LIFO manner, that is last in first out. Next is heap memory. Heap is a section of memory which contains objects and may also contain reference variables. Instance variables are created in heap. Heap memory access the heap memory helps readability of the code. Let's memory allocation in Java. Memory allocation in Java is the process in which virtual memory sections are set inside a program for storing the variables and instances of structures and classes. The next is the Java memory allocation uh, are divided into four sections. The four sections that are heap, stack, code, static. Mm, First, we have to see about heap. The heap section contains objects. Means the heap section only contains the object of code. Next is stack. Stack section contains methods, local variables, and reference variables. Next is code. The code section contains our bytecode, our bytecode that we want to execute. Next is static. The static section contains static data method. So this is all about scope and memory allocation of variables. Under this main point, we cover subpoints like member variables, local variables, loop variables, stack memory, heap memory, memory allocation, and four subtypes of uh, memory allocation, that are heap, stack, code, and static. Thank you.